Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope Diwali celebrations went well for all. Today is Sunday and next day to Diwali. It's a long weekend, so definitely it's going to be more crowded in all the famous tourist spots in Nagarkoil. So we just thought to go around the places like Tottipalam, Padmanabhapuram, which will be less noticed by the big crowd. So those are Arvikarai, Marandakotai, and then to go to Perenchalambu and have a bath there. So now we are on the way to Arvikarai. So we have arrived at the location now. So it is 5 kilometers from Tottipalam. So we'll spend around 10 to 15 minutes here and then we'll start to Marandakotai. Okay guys, we are on the way to Marandakotai now. If you have any difficulty to find the location, just check with any people around here and they will clearly explain you how to reach the spot. That's one of the beauty of Nagarkovil. Once the off-road is started, you will arrive at a point where the path will be get splitted into two. Keep in mind to take left. Totally confused at this point. Luckily, we had few visitors coming to the same spot and they guided us to take left. From this place, the road gets much worse. Please be more careful while traveling through this route. This is the first hairpin bend. So we came here in two bikes. One is Hornet and another is RE Diesel. Hornet can pretty much easily clear these roads, unlike RE, which is a diesel and 97 model, less in power and torque, just 5 HP and 2.7 Newton meter of torque. So definitely we are expecting it will struggle a lot to reach the hilltop. Keep watching guys, it is going to be an interesting off-road ride to the hilltop. So we are going to put a lot of effort in capturing the performance of these two bikes in this off-road, and it is will be a funny part when the slopes get much steeper because we need to push the RE from behind the wheels to keep it moving. So let's see how it goes.
ஒரு புல்லட்டை பார்த்து கேட்குற கேள்வியாது கமான் புல்லட் தள்ளுங்க தள்ளுங்க அதை வச்சுட்டு வரேன் அப்படியே தள்ளிடுறியா கடைசியில் பைக் நம்ம இழுக்கும் பார்த்தா பைக்கை நம்ம இழுத்துட்டு போகிறோம்.
Yes guys, finally all the funny things has happened as I said earlier. we did all the tricks and managed to bring RE to the hilltop. Just check this beautiful view from this viewpoint. It is just amazing.
அவனை சுத்தி கவர் பண்ணணுமா அவனை மண்டையில போடுங்க கல்ல எடுத்து
We are just relaxing here before starting to Perinchilambu.
குடிங்க குடிங்க
We are in Perinchilambu now. We'll just walk through the pathway near the side of the channel to see if there is anything really interesting around this place.
நெக்ஸான் XM மாடல் இது கொஞ்சம் ப்ளூ கலரில் வித்தியாசமாக இருக்குங்களா தண்ணி சரி
Here is a small check dam. So people are already having a bath here. We are just keep walking. We'll try to explore as much as possible what is there deep inside this estate.
செம
It's the end. There is nothing beyond this. We'll return back to the same spot and we'll have a bath there.
வேலிமலை இதுக்கு பின்னாடி மலை இருக்கா உயர்ந்த மலை இருக்கு அது அங்கே இருக்கு அது மண் இல்லை மண் குடிக்காது அங்கே விழுந்தோன்னா இங்கே வந்துடும் அப்படி மீதெல்லாம் மண் குடிச்சு வர்றதுனால கலர் மண்ணில் இருந்து வரன்னா மண் கலங்கி வர
The grandpa was explaining us why the water is so clear because the water is flowing directly from the rocks without getting stagnant. We are returning back to the same spot from where we started and we'll have a bath there. It's time to have fun with my friends. Thank you for watching the video. Hit the like button if you really like the video and subscribe my channel to get more updates like this. Thank you.